Hello students, welcome to your channel again. My name is Manojite and this is the fourth part of this ongoing chapter Light. Hope you have enjoyed the first 2 and 3 part. And if you have not watched the previous part of this chapter, the link will be given in the I button and as well as in the description. So please check out the links. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So students, in this video we will be discuss about the image formed by the concave mirror. In the previous parts of the video we discussed about the spherical mirrors, that means concave mirror and convex mirror. So we have learned about the what is the concave mirror and what is the convex mirror, right? And we have discussed about their dimensions and the properties also. Now in this video we will going to study about the image which is formed by the concave mirror in brief. So what is a concave mirror we have learned. So concave mirror is a special spherical mirror in which the reflecting surface is bent in, right? Now how the image will formed in the concave mirror. Now to understand the image properties or image characteristics, the characteristics of image produced by the concave mirror, we have to learn some properties of concave mirror. So let's see. So here this is the side angle view of concave mirror, and the line which is passing through the middle of the concave mirror is called principal axis. And hopefully you know about the focus we have discussed in the previous part. If you have not watched it, watch the video first. So what is focus? When a parallel beam is falling on the surface of the concave mirror, it will meet at a point, right? This point is called focus, and the distance from the mirror to the focus is called focus distance, or you can say focal length. So now we have learned what is concave mirror, what is principal axis, and what is focus, and what is the focal length, right? Now students, we will learn that how the image will form if we put the objects in 4 different places on the principal axis. So first we will put the object beyond the concave mirror and very far from the concave mirror. Second, we will put the object just greater than the distance which is twice of the focal length from the concave mirror. Third, we will put the object between the focal length and twice of focal length. And fourth, we will put the object just lesser than the distance between focal length. So let's see means how many types of images are formed by the concave mirror for different distances. Let's study what will happen if we put the object far from the concave mirror. So this is a candle which is on the principal axis and which is far from the concave mirror, right? Now you will see the image of the concave means of the candle in front of the mirror, because we know the concave mirror always produce the image in front of the mirror. Now if you take a piece of paper and if you just bring this paper in front of a concave mirror, you will somehow some places you will find the light, you will find the image, maybe the image will blur. Now what do you have to do? You have to just bring forward and backward so that you can get the picture, or you can get the image sharp. Now at this point, if you at this point you can see here you get the sharp image. So this is the image, means the actual image, which is formed due to the candle and also the concave lens. So in this image you will definitely find that the image is not exactly same. The size is smaller, the position is inverted, right? The image is inverted. But the most important thing, the image is not virtual, the image is real, because the image is formed on a screen, and here I have used one piece of paper as a screen. So this is the properties of a concave mirror. When the object is at a very far distance from the concave mirror, the image which is formed by the concave mirror is not only real, it is also inverted and also diminished. That means the size of the image is small than the actual object. Let's see the second case. If we put the object at a greater distance of twice of focal length, so what will happen? Now here you can see this is the concave mirror, this is the principal axis, this is the focal length, and this is the twice of focal length, right? Now if you place the object just greater than the twice of focal length, you will find that the image is formed in front of a mirror. So how you get this image? You have to bring the paper again, and if you just focus by forwarding or backwarding the paper, you will get the sharp image exactly, and at this point you will get the image. And also if you have see carefully, you will find that the image is also means inverted, image is real, and also the image is diminished. That means the image is smaller than the real object. So this is also the second case for concave mirror. Now we will be going to study that what will happen if we put the object in between the focus and the twice of focal length. So in this case you will find that if you bring the paper, that means the screen, if you bring the screen in front of the concave mirror to get the sharp image, you will find that the image will formed just behind the previous, and also if you see, the image will be magnified somewhere, right? And also the image is not that much small here, and also if you see carefully, the image is real and the image is inverted, and also the image is magnified. Now before starting the fourth case, let's see what will happen when we bring or hold a concave mirror in front of a sun, because we know sun is very far distance from the earth, so that the distance between the sun and the concave mirror is very much. That is why here the first case is applied, so that the image should be inverted, small, and as well as real. So if we bring a paper in front of a concave mirror, you will find the image of the sun on the concave mirror. Now let's see, here is the sun and the light falls on the concave mirror, and the lights again reflected back to the paper. And if you see carefully, a small dot will formed on the concave on the screen, that means on the paper. This small bright dot is the sun. This is the image of the sun actually. So as the heat, as we know that the lights which is passing from the sun is contained on not only the light as well as heat. So all the heat and light are concentrated at a one point. That is why in that point the temperature is very high, so that immediately, means after 2-3 seconds, the paper start burning at that point. So if you hold the paper for just 10 to 15 seconds, you will find that there will be make a hole due to the heat, and also some smoke will appeared. So this is the first, this is for the first case of sun, because concave mirror always produced the real image. That is why we can see the image on the screen. The image is erect, means the image is inverted, and also the image is diminished, so that the size of the sun, look at the screen, if you look at the screen, you will find the size of the sun get diminished. So it will be like at a point. That is why this is the first case of concave mirror. So let's see for the fourth case. Now fourth case of concave mirror is that if we bring a object just lesser than the focal length. So if you bring a object just lesser than the focal length, you will find that if you bring any screen or any paper, you will not get the image. That means here we do not get any real image. So the image which is formed by the concave mirror, if we place the object in front of the mirror and the focal length, the image is virtual. Okay, and you will find, if you see on the mirror, you will get to see that the image, some image is formed, but the image is virtual on the mirror. And also you will find that the image is magnified. That means the size of the image is very large than the actual object, and the same side up for the image and same side up for the object. That means the image is erect. That means the top portion will be the top portion and the down portion will be the down portion. So let's see practically. So students, here you can see I have used a spoon as a concave and concave mirror. So this is the surface of a concave mirror. Now okay, so as you can see, I have used this marker pen as a object. Now see, this is the marker pen. Now if you hold the marker pen here, so the distance between the marker pen and the object is very high, right? So now you can find a image on the spoon surface. So as I have moved the object, so the image is also moving, and if you see carefully, you will find that the image is inverted, right? And also the size is very small. Now if I bring just little bit closer, so you can find that the image is erect. The image is erect and the size is also diminished. Now if I move again, the image is here also, the image is erect but somehow magnified. If you see, the image is magnified, right? Now if I bring closer to the means the spoon, you will find the image is magnified very much. That means the size of the pen here is very high. Now you will not understand that the either the object is erect or inverted here. So just if I place my finger here, you will find that the image is erect. As you can see, the image is erect, same size up. You can see, I hope the image is erect. Now if I move backward, you can see the image is erect, and if I move backward, the image getting started inverted. So that is the concave mirror. So hope you will understand what is the properties of the image produced by the concave mirror. Let's see what is the use of concave mirror. So concave mirror are basically using for shaving mirror as well and for the makeup mirror. So when we shave, we have to see our face. Just actually the shaving mirror magnified our face so that it helps us when we shave. Okay. Now the second use of concave mirror is that it is used as a reflector. So when we place a light bulb just at the focus of the concave mirror, so the light passing from the light object, okay, it falls on the reflecting surface and go parallel, and as it goes parallel, so that the light beam is very powerful. You can see the concave mirror at the bike headlight, at the car headlight, any vehicle's headlight. So you will find that the reflector is used just behind the headlights. So these reflectors are concave mirror because these reflectors helps us to see the object which is at a very distant by passing the light at the parallel beam. So this is the second use of a concave mirror. The third use is doctors are also using concave mirror to see our teeth, to observe our infections on the teeth. So dentists are also using this type of mirror. Also some doctors are also using to investigate our health, means our eyes, our nose, as a reflector of a light. Also dish antennas have the shape of concave mirror to catch the signals from which is coming from the very much distance. That is why the shape is look like concave mirror. So these are the properties of a concave mirror. So as you have seen that concave mirror are also producing the erect, magnified and virtual image, and as well as for some cases concave mirror are using concave mirror are producing inverted, diminished and real image. So these are the properties of concave mirror. Okay, so this video up to this much only. On the next video I will be discuss the properties of image which is formed by the convex mirror. So stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you for watching my video.